Very exciting times in the markets today, you guys, with a CPI beat, a month-over-month CPI beat at 0.4 when the month-over-month data expectations were a 0.6, you guys. This actually pressured the markets up to the upside, including BTC, which was leading the way down for most of the traditional markets as well, you guys, when facing the FTX liquidity crisis. So it looks like we have potentially, I know it's a little, we're a little shy in time to say this, you guys, but we have maybe found a bottom, and we could potentially be facing an upside move now, you guys, with the formal presidential announcement that is coming up on Tuesday the 15th, you guys. But what is going to happen with BABA, with BABA? Well, let's go ahead and find out in this video, you guys. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by. This is ARCa coming at you with a BABA Technicals thread of analysis, you guys. This is actually per request. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community on Discord called ARCab. Okay, you guys, with that said, let's go ahead and dive right into the charts. So like I said, you guys, this is actually per request, and the requests have been coming in pretty hot lately, you guys. And I apologize if I haven't gotten to yours just quite yet, but I promise I will. So this is, in a sense, just a technicals update, you guys. I want to be able to give you what I'm looking at first sight. This is, in a sense, this is an incomplete analysis, but let's see what we're looking at, you guys. This is the first 10-15 minutes of me looking at this this 8-hour chart, you guys. So we are looking at a larger time frame right here, and we are looking at a larger time frame bullish reversal signal, you guys. This descending broadening wedge is very common within these times in the bear market, you guys. Why? Because they are presenting, first of all, a bullish reversal signal, and also these with the movements going expanding to wider ranges. This actually gives us an indication to how the overall sentiment within the market is, you guys. This shows us that there is nervousness and there's anxiety within the market space as an entire psychological read, you guys. So this formation is typically a psychological component within itself. So now we also talk about the golden rule of 3 very often, you guys. If you're a regular viewer, you'll know what I'm talking about. Test 1, 2, and 3 of the resistance before a large capitulation or accumulation event, before an actual attempt at breakout on number 4, you guys. It looks like we've already tried the number 4 test, you guys, and we are now attempting the test number 5, but this could actually be a collective number 4 test, you guys, just similar to what happened right over here. Usually the test number 4 is our point of breakout. So now the good thing that we're noticing right over here, you guys, is that we are above the 7-day exponential moving average and this is the 30-day exponential moving average, and this is the 7-day exponential moving average. We are above both of them, and they are acting as support alongside the 618. Let me go ahead and draw just a trend line right over here so you can see what I mean. Both of these moving averages have confluence with our 618 inverse golden ratio, you guys, as a form of support. Very, very strong stuff right here, you guys. This is definitely good. Not only that, is that we also have a technical support of these candles, which are in confluence with the 618 as well. You can see here that these can likely be points of take profit for short sellers that are scalping just mini plays, right, you guys? Okay, so based on price action, you guys, I do see here a break of market structure. We are making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So this is a bullish statement, you guys. So we can actually see a potential move to the upside alongside the markets continuing their bullish sentiment, you guys. So we still have one more economic release, actually a couple more. We still have core CPI to come out, and we do have the presidential formal announcement coming up on Tuesday the 15th, which is midterm elections, you guys. So that is of incredible importance for us to look into, you guys. So let's look at now the SMAs within this chart and see what we have. So the simple moving average right now, you guys, this is the 50-day period simple, and we are looking at some resistance alongside the the wedge resistance top, you guys. There are a couple gaps that we do have right over here that usually psychology tends to want to take the trade to and cover. So we have one with a range of 74.96 to 75.68. This is the first range, and the second resistance range is between 80.30 and 80.78, you guys. So these are psychological components within themselves, you guys. So let's look at a larger time frame fib right over here, you guys, and we can see that the implied price objective based on this macro formation is right at $100.89, you guys. So this price objective is very confluent with a very important area on a fib retracement, you guys. So let's go ahead and draw a trend line like that so we can go ahead and move to the right and see this is very much in confluence with the 3-spot 618 at 101.26, you guys. So this is likely an area that we can take the trade to in the next coming days and weeks, you guys. So this is the 8-hour chart, so it is likely to take its time for us to be able to complete our full ascent. And please remember that this formation itself is a bullish reversal of trend, you guys. So this is the overall target that we need to keep an eye out for, you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up some RSI profile and see what we have for the immediate short term, you guys. So this is actually going to be let's open up a multi-pane actually and see what we have, you guys. So let's open up this larger, let's make this larger, and this right over here, and let's start with this chart right over here, which will be the 30-minute. We'll follow up with the bi-hourly. The third chart will be the 6-hour, and the last one will be the 12-hour, you guys. So immediate short-term time frame right over here. New listeners, please listen up. This is a regular RSI setup. The top half is the bullish control zone, bottom half is the bearish control zone. The inner workings of either halves is the weakness percentile, and the outer portions are the strength percentile for bulls and bears, you guys. So we are looking at 30 minutes suggesting a downside continuation, you guys. We are within the bullish within the strength of the bull control right over here, guys, but we have made a bearish cross below the moving average, you guys. So this we are likely to go into the bull weakness percentile in the immediate short term. Let's look at the bi-hourly, you guys, and see what it has to offer. Okay, so bi-hourly is excuse me. Bi-hourly is suggesting a slight downside pivot, you guys, and the moving average is giving us a hint of upside still on its way. This is very much reminiscent to what I'm looking at in literally every ticker that I'm reviewing right now, you guys. This can indicate some sideways trading in respects to still the economic data that we have coming up, and also the presidential catalyst. So the 6-hour RSI is also suggesting that sideways trading, you guys. You guys can literally look at the other 4 videos I'm going to be putting up today, and you'll likely see that almost every one of them are suggesting this sideways nonsense. This is the 12-hour RSI also suggesting some sideways trading, you guys. Let's look at the daily just to see if we have any edge. The daily RSI is suggesting an upside and has now reached the very shallow area of the bear weakness percentile, you guys. This usually means that we are primed to be gravitated right into bull weakness. So this is looking promising for the following session, you guys. So we can likely see some moves to the upside, potentially end of session tomorrow, starting the following session. So today is also, the bi-daily is also suggesting an upside continuation, you guys. But please bear in mind that we were right here 2 days ago. We went up and rejected from the shallow area of the bear strength percentile, you guys. We reverted back into that shallow area still, and then we came right back up here. So this is what I'm talking about for these time frames, you guys. The ones that, I'm sorry, like this one and this one are suggesting sideways. This is literally what I mean. So there's still indecision in the markets, you guys, and we can see it. It's very clear. So we have to be careful of what we're looking at right here, you guys. Please know that I'm not a financial advisor, you guys. Please take what I do show and iterate within these videos as a form of entertainment. I can't actually suggest for you to buy or sell any assets, you guys. I need you to do your own DD and we'll be okay, right? Okay, you guys, so I think this is a pretty good place for me to leave off the video. I'm going to leave the links in the description for you to consider joining the ARCa trading community on Discord, you guys. Visit me on Twitter, say hi, let's talk about these analyses. With that said, I wish you a good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.